Okay, I'm going to see if Penelope wants to do a few tricks. See if she'll do it today. I'm giving her blue corn chips. They don't have very much salt in them, so I'm just giving her little pieces. And she knows she's getting a treat. So let's see if she'll touch. Come here. Can you touch this? Touch. Good job. Good bird. Good bird. Fly. Fly. Pretty wings. Okay. Can you wave? Wave. Wave. Good bird. Good bird. Wait. Wait. Spin. 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 Good bird. Spin one more time. Spin again. Spin. Yes. Good job. She's so smart. Can I have your foot? Thank you. Can I have your other foot? Good bird. You are so good. Okay. Wave. She knew I was going to do that. Good wave. Good. Wait, wait, wait. Don't go down. Fly. Fly. Good bird. Fly. Yeah. Can I have your foot? Good job. Can I have your other foot? Thank you. Yeah. With a squawk. Okay, spin, spin, spin. Good bird. Now I did all of this with Penelope at first with sunflower seeds, but then she got a little tired of them. So I'll give you extra. And I also did it with a clicker, and now she pretty much knows my signal without the word. That was wave, it was. Do this. Can you do it? Oh, that was halfway, huh? That almost was fly. Okay, come over here. Come over here. Come back. Can you come back? I didn't say spin yet. Come back. Come back. She knows target, so spin. Good. Here you go. Here's an extra one. So that's Penelope and her trick debut. Bye, Penelope. Can you wave? Bye.